Mesa, Arizona, much like Phoenix to the west, has a housing market that's showing real sustainable home price growth.
Yes, it is, with inventories down only about 1% during the year-over-year period ending in April. The median price per square foot in Mesa zoomed 28% from $82 to $105, according to Movoto.com.
The median home price of listed properties in Mesa is up more than 57% from about $140,000 a year ago to $220,000 in April this year, according to Movoto.
Mesa's market conditions report right here on RealtyTimes.com puts the market solidly in seller's market territory.
And reporting to Realty Times market conditions report for Mesa, Amy Jones, a RE/MAX agent in Mesa area, says Mesa experienced an actual increase in homes for sale.
Yes, they did. Jones also says the median price of existing homes sold rose from $245,000 in March to $249,660 in April, and the average days on the market for a home is only 68 days, down from 75 days during the same month-to-month period.
Mesa and the Phoenix areas in general have a more sustainable housing recovery than many other areas in the nation because of the small rate of inventory reduction.
Also, among 6 nearby cities with growing new home starts, Mesa came in at number 4. And those new homes will further add to the growing resale inventories.
If Jones's Realty Times market conditions report is any indication, existing home inventory should continue to grow, and that will help level the playing field for buyers. Demand will still push prices up, just not as fast.